Getting ready for Easter but feel like your front door still looks plain? Wondering how to welcome spring with something festive, cheerful and meaningful? Looking for Easter wreath ideas that work for every style, from rustic to modern? Need budget-friendly, DIY and store-bought options that still look stunning? Curious how a simple wreath can instantly transform your home's Easter vibe? Then stay right here, because today we're diving into Easter wreath ideas that will bring charm, colour and springtime joy straight to your doorstep. What makes an Easter wreath different from a regular spring wreath? An Easter wreath usually includes symbolic and seasonal elements like pastel colours, eggs, florals, bunnies or crosses. Unlike regular spring wreaths, Easter designs often feel more playful, hopeful and celebratory. They balance freshness with meaning, making them perfect for the season of renewal. What are the must-have elements for a classic Easter wreath? Popular Easter wreath elements include faux flowers, greenery, decorative eggs, ribbons, and soft pastel tones. Adding textures like moss, grapevine, or twigs gives the wreath depth and a natural spring feel. These elements together create a welcoming and joyful Easter look. If these ideas are inspiring you already, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone decorating for Easter this year. How can I make a simple DIY Easter wreath at home? Start with a basic wreath base like grapevine or foam, then layer greenery and flowers. Add Easter accents such as eggs or bows using hot glue or floral wire. DIY wreaths let you customize colors and themes while keeping things budget-friendly. What colors work best for Easter wreath designs? Soft pastels like blush pink, lavender, mint green, baby blue and creamy white are Easter favorites. You can also mix in neutrals or pops of gold for elegance. Choosing a consistent color palette helps your wreath feel polished and cohesive. Which Easter color palette do you love most? Pastels, neutrals or bold spring shades? Tell us in the comments, can Easter wreaths be elegant instead of playful? Absolutely. Elegant Easter wreaths often use minimal florals, neutral colors and subtle symbols. White flowers, eucalyptus, linen bows, or soft gold accents can create a refined look that still feels festive without being overly themed. What are some kid-friendly Easter wreath ideas? Kid-friendly wreaths feature bright colors, playful shapes, felt bunnies, or painted eggs. Let kids help decorate with safe materials like paper cutouts or plastic eggs. This turns wreath making into a fun family activity and a memory-making tradition. For more family-friendly Easter decor ideas, check out our full playlist linked in the description. How do I choose the right wreath size for my door? For standard doors, wreaths between 18 to 24 inches work best. Larger doors or open walls can handle bigger designs, while smaller spaces benefit from slim or minimalist wreaths. Always consider balance so the wreath enhances, not overwhelms, your entryway. Can I use natural materials in an Easter wreath? Yes, natural materials like dried flowers, twigs, moss and greenery add texture and authenticity. They're great for rustic or farmhouse-style wreaths and blend beautifully with spring decor. Natural elements also make wreaths feel warm and organic. Subscribe for more seasonal decor ideas that mix creativity, simplicity and style all year long. What are modern Easter wreath trends this year? Modern Easter wreaths focus on clean lines, neutral tones, and minimal accents. Think single-colour florals, monochrome eggs, or asymmetrical designs. These wreaths work especially well in contemporary or Scandinavian-style homes. How can I decorate an Easter wreath on a budget? Use items you already have, like ribbon scraps or faux flowers from old decor. Dollar store supplies or recycled materials can go a long way. Budget wreaths don't need to look cheap. Smart layering and colour choices make all the difference. Love decorating on a budget? Check the description for more similar videos filled with affordable decor ideas. Are Easter wreaths only for front doors? Not at all. Easter wreaths look great on interior doors, walls, windows, mantels, or even above dining tables. Smaller wreaths can also be used as table centerpieces or cabinet accents for cohesive decor. How can I store Easter wreaths properly after the season? Store wreaths in breathable containers or wreath storage bags to keep them dust-free. Avoid crushing decorations and keep them in a cool, dry place. Proper storage helps your wreaths last beautifully for years. Some of the wreaths and decor pieces shown here are linked in the description. Check them out if you want the same look. Can Easter wreaths reflect religious meaning too? Yes, wreaths can include crosses, lilies, or symbolic colours representing hope and renewal. These designs keep Easter's spiritual meaning at the centre while still feeling decorative and elegant. How do I match my Easter wreath with the rest of my decor? Coordinate your wreath's colours and style with indoor accents like table runners, pillows, or floral arrangements. This creates a seamless flow from outside to inside. Consistency makes your Easter decor feel intentional and beautifully styled. Easter wreaths are more than decorations. They're a joyful welcome to spring, celebration and renewal. Whether you love DIY projects, elegant designs, or playful family styles, the perfect Easter wreath can instantly transform your space. Start simple, choose what speaks to you, and let your home reflect the beauty of the season. If this video inspired your Easter decor plans, give it a like and share it with friends who love decorating. Comment below and tell us, DIY wreath or store-bought? We'd love to know your style. Explore our Easter decor playlist in the description for more festive ideas. Subscribe for weekly home decor inspiration, seasonal trends, and creative ideas. Find more spring and holiday decor videos linked below. All featured wreaths and decor items are linked in the description for easy shopping.